Hey cat owners! Ever wonder what makes our cats so special? Cats are truly amazing creatures. Did you know they can jump up to 6 times their body length? That's like a person jumping over a small bus. And those adorable whiskers? They're not just cute, they're like tiny radars that help cats see in the dark. Ever notice how cats always land on their feet? It's because of their amazing reflexes and flexible spines. Plus, they can hear ultrasonic sounds, so they always know when you're opening a treat bag. So next time your kitty does something cool, remember, you're living with a tiny, furry superhero.